Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you create a challenge on your Relive app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click here on challenges, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just go down here until you found create a challenge, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on let's go, and here can you find, if you select here signal call here or multiple calls, can you select, and here each participant must try to here. So in description of your challenge, if you want to add it private or public here, then you click on done, then it's going to add with you. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.